Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to install the rear window on a Volkswagen Mk1 Cabriolet Rabbit Golf on the hatchback. Let's get into it right away. Okay, so I just finished installing this window and I'm just quickly going to discuss this trim. Okay, so some models come with this trim, chrome trim that like presses into the rubber thing, right? And some models don't have that. So this video is going to cover both installations. So mine was all cracked and dry and not very good. So I decided not to use the trim at all. So I just ended up installing this gasket without the trim. It works without it. It's fine without it. So that's what I decided to do. If you're putting new trim or you want to keep your trim, you have to install this trim into the rubber here before you put the window in. So you would put the rubber around the window, you would install your trim into the rubber, and then you put your window in, which is what we're gonna cover in this video. So just pretend you put your trim in. I decided not to use mine, it looks good without it. And let me take you into the past few hours ago when I put this in. It's very easy, don't worry. You can do it, guys.
Let's go into the past right now.
Okay, guys, we are in the past. Let's prep this window to install it. The first thing you're gonna need is a little bit of string. So now on the inside of the window, you're just gonna run, see this, like, this is what ends up going on the inside of the car. So right in there, you're gonna put the string in. Let me show you. Okay, so I got a loop on one end of it, right? So you just go like this. You loop it through, see? Now you can get it nice and tight under there, see, look. Then you take the remainder, which I got quite a bit of, and you just go around. Just like that. And right there is your starting point. So we'll get a piece of tape and we'll tape that right there so it stays. See, just like this, makes life a lot easier. So now we got our starting point for the window. See, and the string is in there nice, right tucked in. Pretty straightforward. Okay, let's go put it on. Okay, I got my hatch set up like this. You can do it in the car, but then for sure you need two people. If it's in the car, this way you can reach underneath and push at the same time. Okay, let's place the window in there. Okay, so there's our string, right? So we're just gonna go like this. Put this in the way it's supposed to go. Pretty straightforward, obviously. Pretty straightforward so far. Okay, so now you're gonna push it all around in a little bit. Try to slide it in as much as it'll go. Okay, so now if you had two people, you would have one guy pushing on this corner, right? And then on the inside, somebody starts to pull on the string and get that rubber to like flip over that metal lip, right? Am I gonna be able to record that? I'm gonna try it, but I'm gonna try to do this on my own because nobody is here right now to help me. Okay, it is a little hard to see, as you can see, but so you push, and then see, we got the rope here, and that will flip that rubber piece on the other side. See, it's working. It is working. See, look at that. See, so that corner is already in, look. So you go over a little bit more. Push it in best you can. You know what? It's even better to push on the rubber and not the glass itself. See, look, you push and then you pull. Yeah, she's working. She's on the other side. Look, this corner is in. So that is what you do, guys. You just go around And you do that, right? See, look. It's totally working. So it's gonna take me a bit here, guys, because I am just me. So I'm gonna go around and around and around, and eventually we're gonna completely pull this rope right out, guys. Look at that. Okay, let me put the camera underneath so you can see. Okay, we're underneath. Can you see that? See how nice that is working? Okay, guys, I flipped it over. So I started there. I got all the way to there, and it got kind of stuck. So what you can do is, remember the loop part that we made? So now I pulled the loop out, and we can start going the other way, and I'm sure it'll work now. And I got it upside down, so I'll be able to push like that. I'm gonna try it. I'll just have from here to here left. And it's raining, guys. I really want to get it on, so that's why I'm doing it by myself, because I'm restoring that car. I'm also restoring this car. You should subscribe to this channel for Rabbit Golf content, guys. Mk1, Mk1. All right, let's see if she works now. Beauty. Okay, so it's kind of stuck there now. So we're between there and there. So now what you can do is grab a flat screwdriver. Careful not to break your window, but you can kind of help it, right? There we go. So as you can see, it might take you 10 minutes, but using the rope and the screwdriver at the same time should work, guys. Getting so close now. Look at that. Last tiny little section. Boom! The window is installed, guys. So like I said, guys, if you want to see some awesome Rabbit content, some incredible rust repair, this thing had no floor at all, subscribe to this channel, guys. I'm also doing this one. Lots of fuel injection stuff, stands, coilovers, you name it, we're working on it. Thanks for watching. Till next time, everybody.